If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta. So we know that the sum of the roots alpha plus beta equals minus b upon a, and the product of root alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Now we have to find the value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta. So we have beta multiplied by 1 is beta, and alpha multiplied by 1 is alpha upon alpha beta. Now this can be written as square root of beta minus alpha whole square upon alpha beta, and then we can apply the formula of whole square. So we have square root of beta square minus 2 beta alpha plus alpha square upon alpha beta, and then this can be written as alpha square minus 2 alpha beta. By commutativity we can change beta alpha into alpha beta, and then plus beta square under root upon alpha beta, and then alpha square. In place of minus 2 alpha beta we can write 2 alpha beta, and then in order to balance this thing we will subtract 4 alpha beta, so that minus 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta will become minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha beta. Now this will become alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta upon alpha beta. Now we can put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta over here. So we have minus b upon a whole square minus 4 b upon a upon, sorry, the value of alpha beta is c upon a, and in the denominator we have c upon a. Now we have b square upon a square minus 4c upon a under root upon c upon a. Now we can multiply this fraction by a and divide it by a, so we have a square in the denominator, and then we can subtract the numerator. So we have b square minus 4ca upon a square under root, and the fraction in the denominator can be written as a upon c, because when we multiply this fraction by the numerator it will become the reciprocal. Now we can apply the root on both numerator and denominator. So we have square root of b square minus 4ca upon square root of a square multiplied by a upon c, and then we have square root of b square minus 4ca upon a multiplied by a upon c. Now we can cancel this a and this a, so the answer is square root of b square minus 4ca upon c.